In this video, we are going to talk about the Forex Signals Telegram channel that we have started. And guys, we were also doing the Forex trading Telegram channel before, but unfortunately, we were not able to continue it. And then we started the WhatsApp services for our subscribers. Okay, so make sure that guys, I am going to give the signals again from tomorrow on Telegram channel, because it's really hard to manage so many subscribers on the WhatsApp group, because you know that WhatsApp group has the capacity of 257 members at one time, so it's really hard for me to manage these all groups. So basically, when we upload a group on the YouTube channel, then it normally get filled very quickly. So that's why we have two groups that are almost going to near to full. So that's why I thought that I should be giving the signals on Telegram channel. So make sure those subscribers who are currently on through the WhatsApp group, they need to switch to the Telegram group. I'm going to paste the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. Moreover guys, if you want to understand that how will be the manual link of the Telegram channel, that will be t.me/2 2 will be capital, the T will be capital, 200 H will be capital, and Forex F will be capital, and pips and P will be capital. So I'm repeating again, t.me/200 Forex pips if you search this on Telegram. Otherwise, I'm going to paste the link in the description of this video. So make sure that you copy the link from the description and join the Telegram channel. Okay, so guys, I'm going to tell you one more thing, that I will be sending maximum signals into the Telegram channel instead of WhatsApp. So make sure that you must join the Telegram channel, so that you will be catching the free signals from my side. On the other hand, I will have a private premium group. So if you are going to jump into the premium group, then you need to go for the subscription, and in that case you can request for the subscription on Telegram as well. Moreover guys, if you have any other questions, you can also contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram, or you can also email me on info@200forexpips.com. and guys, you can also send your inquiries on WhatsApp, email, Telegram, whatever you need. I am just going to give the description of the Telegram link in the description of this video below. So make sure that I am again repeating, those subscribers who are currently on WhatsApp, they need to switch to the Telegram channel immediately, because the less content will be updated on the WhatsApp and more signals will be thrown into the Telegram group. So make sure that everyone should join it, because I will keep some free signals as well into the main Telegram group, so that you can catch them. And then if you want to join the premium group, then you can come to me and you can raise your inquiry, and you will be taken towards the private group as well. Moreover, we are using these scalping indicators that are going very wonderful, and even we are also able to catch very long trades as well. So if you have any questions related to them, you can also ask on Telegram, email, whatever you think best for you. So you can simply contact me in that case. So guys, please like this video, subscribe the 200 Forex Pips YouTube channel, check the playlist so that you can understand that what is the content of the channel. So you will come to know from the playlist. Okay, and guys, subscribe the YouTube channel and like my videos, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.